What's up, beautiful people? In this video, I am going to continue the beautification process of my front yard garden by putting some beautiful lights down with the help of my handy dandy stapler. And I'm wearing my shades because it's going to be bright by the end of the night. Let's go! Beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 Alright, great people. So after a nice beautiful stretch, we have now gotten to the portion where we are about to start, in which I am going to start by being so loud and taking the box of lights out of the box. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I have the LED fairy lights, as you saw, from Amazon. I will put a link below for these lights if this is something that you're like, wow, I would like to do too. That's the way that you could do so, as well as my stapler that I purchased from Amazon as well. I'll put a link for that so that you can do this whole complete process within 2 days after watching this video, because that's how long it takes for Amazon products to get to you. And so I am also excited. Oh my goodness, like whoa. I might have to read the instructions before I try to go ahead and get this party started, because one of the cool things that I like about this set is that it has a LED panel and it has the on and off switch, because the other ones that I was seeing really didn't have an on and off switch. Either it was on at night or it was off because it was daytime. But with this on and off switch, as well as various lighting settings I can do with this set as well. And then there was two different sides, so you'll see me as I go ahead and apply it outside, but there's two sets. One set with lights and an on and off button, LED panel, another one. So I'll be able to space it out from one side to the other and make it all look clean together, as you'll see as we do this video. And so with that being said, welcome. Hello. I don't know if you know, but my name is Ricky Sean Jr. I love doing gardening videos, things out in the front yard and in the backyard, as well as we have started a gardening family, okay? All you have to do to join the family is click that join button. We'll be in there, okay? There's so many perks. There's 5 perks that you would get to be a part of in joining the family. So with that being said, don't hesitate but rush to click that join button, and make sure you subscribe as well. Click that bell notification so that you are aware of videos that drop on this video, because I am also excited with where we are going and growing in the garden in the front yard now that it's starting to, you know, cool down a little bit. Air quotes, because I am in Florida, but nonetheless I can do the fresh leafy vegetables that I love to do, the kales, the collards, the peppers, and other things like that. Getting into the lettuce and the arugula, he's lining up. But with that being said, let's go ahead and beautify the front yard garden with my handy dandy LED lights. Let's see how we do it, y'all. Ooh. Alright, great people, so the first thing I'm gonna do, well, the first thing I did was attach the bottom piece to the LED panel, in which the stake that will go into the ground in which it will sit on sits like this. So I went on ahead and did that. But now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and unstring these lights, and the reason why I'm doing that is to know how long these lights are and the way in which I would like to string everything together, okay? So sometimes it's best to just know, and obviously because it's my first time, these lights should last about, they say, 2 to 3 years, but I also can replace the battery that's within the LED panel as well, which is why I love this set. And honestly, it was under $20, so it's a beautiful set, and the lights are very long. I forgot how long advertisement said that it was, but obviously I do not have a shortage of length. As you can see, the rolling just keeps on rolling and rolling, but it's all to the good. We get to do what we're doing, which is working it out, talking it out, and all those various things. And so this gives you time to go ahead and subscribe. It gives you time to click that join button, and it gives you time just to know and look at merchandise, okay? There are some shirts down below. As you can see, I'm wearing the Garden With Me shirt, the Go Green gardening shirt, which I will show the back of it. Might as well show it now. Boom! Go green, great people. Go green. What does that mean? Start gardening, okay? Get out in the garden, go green, be healthy, know where your food is coming from, all that good stuff in between. And the fun thing about unraveling it now is that I'll be able to place the LED panel in the best and optimal place for the sun to be able to charge the battery up, okay? So that's another reason why it's good just to go ahead and know what you're working with. And once you know what you're working with, you know where to start from, okay? We're starting with the end in mind, all right? Sometimes that's the best thing to do. Most of the time, that's the best thing to do. And oftentimes we don't know to do so until the end, and we think, as we know, most often hindsight is 20/20. However, sometimes when we get to the hindsight, it's too late, and all we can do is advise others. But now we get to do it together the right way. So now that I have the full length of it all unraveled, I will now lay out and chart out where I want it to be. Alright, so now that I have the first line of lights laid out, what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and staple them to the raised bed, which is why I love using wooden raised beds, because it allows me to do things outside of them that, you know, metal and other things may not lend you the availability immediately. But nonetheless, what I'm going to do is staple it to the raised bed, and I did not use the second one yet because I want to see how far the first one stretches, and then the second one will probably go from this raised bed over to that raised bed to the 5-gallon bucket and sweet potato area. And so I will have a full lighting apparatus and full lighting section of my garden. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me show you how to do that, and then we'll roll the second one out. Alright, great people, so I didn't want to bore you with the logistics of me stringing it along. I'll show you in the beginning what it looks like to actually string it, but then I just finished it along, ended it over there where my sweet potatoes are and my 5-gallon buckets are, in which I'm so excited to show you what it looks like lit up, which is also why I did not want to show you everything, because I wanted to be a surprise and an aha moment when we have it all lit up tonight. And so, which we know that'll be following up, but I do want to say on Sunday we will talk about the details of the giveaway. We talked about doing a giveaway once we met 10,000 subscribers, and we have and since surpassed it, which I love you, I love you, I love you. I appreciate you all for all that have subscribed since then. And so we have a giveaway coming up Sunday. The details of the giveaway will come about, in which you will be able to partake. Now, of course, the giveaway doesn't last forever, so once the giveaway has been completed, it'll be done, okay? And I'm saying that because people come in contact with these videos far beyond the current events, okay? So I did want to say that, but now, without further ado, let's look at the lights at night. All right, great people, so I started in front of this light that I have in the front, and I am going to, that looks weird, but it's not my light. Anyway, I'm going to fix the camera to face the raised bed area and the front yard garden area, so you can see the lights being turned on. Man, this is exciting. This is almost like turning on your Christmas lights for the very first time. Okay, all right, enough of that. Let's look and see. So as you can see, the lights are on. Looks like Christmas. What I'm gonna do is just walk you all around just to show you how they are. I am so excited with how they look. As you can see, it's on both sides, and even as it went through the PVC pipe, even looks cooler. Look at that. Ah, that's so dope. Look at that over here. And then I have set up my 5-gallon bucket container holder, so it's along the bottom, then it's along the top, then it's going along from where my sweet potato plants are, and it ends right here. Like, man, that is so dope. That is so cool. And it's even cooler from the lens perspective, because you all can't see, as I can see here naturally, what it is and where it goes and things like that, but you all just see black and then you see lights. Oh man, it's so cool. What I'm gonna do is turn that light off just to even make the lights down there pop even more. All right, so this is the full effect. This is the full look with the big light off. The street light is weird. I don't even know why it's that color. But anyway, this is what it looks like, guys. When you're coming up, this is what it looks like. Oh man, I like how nice, subtle, and simple it is, but yet so effective. It's like kind of like Christmas lights, but you know, hey, it's for the raised bed garden. It's a nice extra touch. Just keep everything nice and cool and popping. And what I do love is that it is subtle. It's at the bottom of the raised beds, so that as it is, it just looks nice. It's a nice touch. It's an addition. It is not anything that just draws attention to it or anything like that. It's a subtle, nice nuance, okay? And I love things like that. I'll probably add some more along the front gate just to even add some more lighting and things like that, and maybe something along the trellis just to further validate its purpose being there, because the cucumbers is giving it a hard time. But nonetheless, we are here. We have a full lighting set up to wrap up the beautification process of the front yard garden. Ladies and gentlemen, I am excited. Smash that like button if you are excited as well. Love the way it turned out. Love the way it looks. And let me know in the comment section if you think you would do this too. If you have any questions, please let me know. Of course, I am always here for you. But if there are any suggestions you would like to make, of course, the comment section is there for you to do that as well. But with that being said, I love you all. I appreciate you all. Until next time, happy gardening. See you in the community, okay? The gardening community. Click that join button and join up with other gardeners all around this world. All right, love you. Peace.